Hey, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA here. I have a 2017 Chevrolet 3500 6-liter gas, 4-wheel drive. It's got right around 95,000 miles on it. It's a double cab, single wheel, 1 ton, work truck trim, power locks, power windows. Does have a Liftmoore 2700AR, electric over hydraulic crane, RKI service bed. All in all, truck's in pretty good shape. Came out of Lubbock, Texas, so nice and dry underneath. Normal, oxidation, surface rust, but no rust on the frame. This is a West Texas truck. Service bodies in good shape, nice and dry. Cloth seats, rubber floors. The driver's side seat has a very small rip on it. It's really the only issue on the interior. Runs out great, drives nice and smooth. If you have any questions about it, feel free to call, text 804-716-8487. All in all, truck's in really good shape. Really not a whole lot of cosmetic damage anywhere on it. There's the small rip I was talking about, but great little service truck right here. Like I said, 4-wheel drive. Those 6-liter motors are really good motors. If you're looking for a gas service truck, this is a pretty good setup. Got a little dent, ding right there. But all in all, like I said, truck's pretty clean. There's a corded remote. £2,800 max lifting capacity. Nice and speedy operation. Has 2 extensions on it. Those are manual, as you can see. And I'll give you a shot of the chart right here. So again, if you do have any questions, feel free to call or text Taylor 804-716-8487. It's a 2017 3500 gas single wheel Liftmoore crane RKI service body, about 95,000 miles on it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.